Starting a digital marketing agency in the UK can be an exciting venture for anyone passionate about online marketing and helping businesses thrive in the digital landscape. Building a successful agency requires understanding essential skills, effectively finding clients, assembling a capable team, and offering a variety of services. The journey begins with recognizing the core skills needed for running a digital marketing agency. These skills often include search engine optimization, SEO, pay-per-click advertising, PPC, social media marketing, and data analytics. A strong grasp of these areas allows an entrepreneur to craft effective marketing strategies, analyze campaign performance, and optimize future efforts. Moreover, communication skills are crucial, as building relationships with clients and team members fosters collaboration and understanding. Finding clients is perhaps one of the most challenging aspects of starting an agency. Entrepreneurs can begin by creating a portfolio showcasing any previous work, even if it's volunteer projects or personal experiments. Networking is another effective way to acquire clients. Attending industry events, joining online marketing groups, and utilizing social media platforms like LinkedIn can lead to valuable connections. Offering free workshops or webinars can also attract potential clients by demonstrating expertise and providing initial value. As the agency starts to grow, building a team becomes important. Hiring individuals with specialized skills such as content creation, graphic design, and analytics can enhance the agency's offerings. It is vital to look for team members who share the same vision and values. A cohesive team can work seamlessly to provide high-quality services and results to clients. Offering a diverse range of digital marketing services will set an agency apart. SEO helps improve a client's visibility on search engines, ensuring they attract organic traffic. PPC campaigns enable businesses to increase visibility quickly through targeted ads, paying only when users interact with their advertisements. Social media marketing is another essential service, helping clients engage with their audience on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, building brand loyalty and awareness. Adding additional services can further enhance an agency's appeal. Email marketing, content marketing, and influencer partnerships are effective ways to reach a broader audience and deliver tailored messaging to potential customers. In establishing a digital marketing agency, it is also crucial to understand legal requirements in the UK, including registering the business, managing taxes, and complying with data protection regulations such as GDPR. Setting up a basic business structure, like limited company or sole trader, can help streamline operations and protective measures for personal liability. As the agency grows, staying updated with the latest marketing trends and technologies is essential. Digital marketing is constantly evolving, and remaining adaptable will enable the agency to provide relevant and effective services to clients. This warm welcome encourages viewers to delve deeper into the world of digital marketing through informative content. The channel focuses on guiding aspiring entrepreneurs with practical insights on starting and managing digital marketing initiatives. Each video explores various aspects of the field, offering tips, industry expert interviews, and success stories. This current video lays out a clear roadmap for starting a digital marketing agency in the UK, from developing key skills to finding clients and building an effective team. Viewers are invited to like, share, comment, and subscribe to keep up with the latest tips and insights. Engaging with the audience is important, so viewers are encouraged to leave comments with their suggestions for future video topics. The channel values feedback and is eager to explore fresh ideas that resonate with its community. By fostering an inviting and collaborative environment, the channel aims to support aspiring entrepreneurs each step of the way on the digital marketing journey.